Hey everyone, here's a recap of the Midjourney Office Hours from April 26th. Apparently this week it was open to members only. I hope they don't mind me providing a recap for those who can't attend. The two biggest things they're working on right now are the new moderation system and trying to get a new default style. They actually tested the moderation yesterday and they found some weird edge cases, but not many. If your prompt was banned, you had a chance to appeal it, and apparently only like 400 people clicked the appeal out of like 100,000 blocks, and that's quite impressive. They still might need to increase the rules a little bit around public figures. David admitted that it's somewhat subjective and they are open to suggestions, but he thinks that they will have to clamp down a little bit. They see Midjourney as being about exploration rather than political exploitation, and in an ideal world they would be able to moderate users instead of content, but it's just not possible to do right now. They don't have the infrastructure. Maybe in the future. There might be another test in the next few days, so keep an eye out for that if you're interested in seeing the new limits. They're also trying to get the new opinionated version 5 as the default style, which is a bit of a problem because right now version 4 is still easier to use, so they're testing out the V5 easy version. He said they're having some problems with it being a little blurry and maybe a little too opinionated. They're trying it out with some guides and mods at the moment, and when it's ready, we will still have the raw mode available in the setting, which is the way version 5 works right now. He then talked a little about the new Niji styles. Scenic is amazing. You get beautiful scenery. I highly recommend trying it out. They're still working on controllability, some real-time stuff, some personalization. No idea when that will be ready for us because they're prioritizing web stuff and search at the moment. Version 6 is also training. He said they're getting some interesting results, but it's going to take longer than he was hoping for, and that's because of a combination of reasons, one of them being team resources, but also things have turned out to be harder than they thought. There is a new billing support team they have available, and the Midjourney magazine has been shipped to a lot of people and he is happy with it. There's a quick recap of the Midjourney office hours. I hope you're doing well, take care, and I'll see you next time.